Hello guys, welcome to your channel Pariksha.com. Easy to understand, easy to learn. Guys, this is a very good opportunity to all of you who have already qualified any one national level exam like NET, SLATE, GATE, and this is also the same opportunity to all of the students who have MA or MSc degree, as Punjab University has declared a huge amount of seats of those students who are interested in PhD or MPhil. So before we start, if you are new on this channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest update from our channel. So without wasting the time, let's go to the official website. In Google, type PhD admissions dot puchd.ac.in, this one, and go to the first link. Now this is the official page for MPhil PhD entrance test 2020 by Punjab University, Chandigarh. Now in the main menu section, you can see the important dates. Here you have to register yourself, and from here you have to download the prospectus before applying. From here you can see that the entrance test will be held on 7th November, Saturday, and the last date of submission of information on the website to generate the bank challan is 16 October. Now the application fee for the general category students is 2175 rupees, and for SC, ST and PWD category students the fee is 1088 rupees. I know you guys are thinking the fee is very high, but believe me, it's not a waste of money because this is a reputed university. Now coming to this section. Now from here you can see that the last date of submission of information on website to generate the bank challan is 16 October, and the last date for deposit of fee in any branch of State Bank of India using website generated challan is 19 October up to 4 PM. Also the last date for uploading the photograph, signature with the rest of the information on the website is 22nd October. Now the date of declaration of result is in between 14th December to 18th December, and the center for entrance test is Chandigarh. Now there are two papers in the exams. Paper 1 will be objective type and paper 2 will be subjective type. This is the list of seats in various department and subjects. Now from here you can see they are provided the department and subjects and number of seats in MPhil and number of seats in PhD. And you can see there are many departments from the Faculty of Arts. Now there is Faculty of Science, Faculty of Languages, Faculty of Education, Faculty of Business Management and Commerce, Faculty of Design and Fine Arts, Faculty of Engineering, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, and Faculty of Law. This is the exemption section in page 15. From here you can see that the exemption from entrance test will be given to those who have already cleared any of the national test like UGC, CSR, NET, including JRF, SLATE, GATE, or any other prestigious test for national level scholarship or fellowship. So guys, before applying, please read the prospectus very carefully. Guys, if the video is helpful to you, then like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe the channel Pariksha.com, and keep watching us. Thank you.